Guys, thank you for joining me today. I'm really excited because not only am I doing an unboxing, but also I'm going to show you a few things that I hauled. I haven't done a haul in I don't even know how long, but today's the day. Alright, so first thing is this. Now this is from Pixi and I haven't opened it, although it looks like it's opened already. And I think I know what it is, and if it's tonic, I'm gonna give it away because I have so much tonic. It's tonic. But it says my name on there. It's Steffi's Tonic, Glow Tonic. This is good tonic, but I just have so much of it that I'm like, when am I gonna ever go through it? Does it go bad? I don't know if it expires or not. It's a very good thing to Google. So I have this tonic right here. It does have 5% glycolic acid, and it's an exfoliating toner. And so, yeah, it helps to gently exfoliate and brighten, reveals healthy glowing skin for all skin types. So that's really nice. Thank you. I'm always appreciative of anything that I'm sent because clearly it's a privilege and an honor. So next is a package from Pixi. There's a hair. Ew, hair grosses me out. But we're gonna go ahead and open this bad boy. I have no knife, so I'm gonna use my strong hand. Makeup, oh my. Ooh. Oh. I love these. They're so fun. Oh my gosh, cute. Okay, this is the Pop Beauty Permanent Pout Liquid Lip Color. This is it. Oh my goodness, that's purple. What was I expecting? I was expecting pink because it has a pink lip color in there. I don't know if I'm gonna wear this myself. There's no smell at all, so we're just gonna swatch that right there. Now that's very pigmented for those that do like purple lips. This is a Flash Shadow, which is a liquid eyeshadow. Ooh, okay. It kind of looks like a liquid lipstick. It's very thin in formula, which is fine. You really have to make sure that it's nice and smooth and blended out before while you're actually applying it. So there's little silver sparkles to it. So as you can see, it's like a rosy pink color. I'm wondering how I would use this myself. I see like a Valentine's Day look. Wearable pink looks. And then we have the Makeup Magnet Mist. I'm guessing this is a setting spray. Yes, it's a setting mist. Purple. Purple must be like the theme. What else is in here? Oof. Nail polish, yes. This is the Nail Glam in the color Black Cherry. And as you can see, there's burgundy sparkle shimmer in there. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to put this on. I do need to color my nails. This is the nail color. It looks like it's very opaque. Super exciting. Next we have the Pink Champagne Prismatic Pop Palette. So I'm guessing this is a cheek palette. It's a highlighter palette. Very youthful packaging. I think they probably are trying to target younger generations. So you have Rose Light, Galactic Pink, Dusty Rose, and Royal Rose. So why don't we swatch these? Okay. Let's blend them out and see what they're about. Very, very soft colors. I don't know if I actually like this. It just is very dull. So I guess if you're looking for more subtlety, but I don't know, it's not very exciting. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe all this off before I get it on my white sweater. Okay, so there is that. There's one more thing in here, which is, I believe, an eyeshadow palette. Light Show palette. Yeah, this is very different. This has more of a cool tone range here. And sorry, I can't explain what I just saw. So much static. Okay, this is the palette, as you can see. Very, very pretty and clean looking. Those are the colors. I would love to actually swatch this and take pictures of it, so I'm not going to swatch it on camera. But this is what you have here. From what I remember, the last palette, if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it down below. But the last palette was very pigmented, and the glitter shadows actually go all the way through. It's not just spray on or anything like that on top, but it's full on glitter. So that's really cool. Great, so there was that. Thank you, Pop Beauty. Super appreciative of everything I was sent, and Pixi. So now we're gonna get on to what I bought myself. I'm really excited. So let's start off with some boring stuff. I bought some Ardell Demi Wispy lashes because these are my absolute favorite lashes to wear sort of like every day, which I'm gonna put that in quotes because I don't put on lashes every day, but these are the lashes that I put on when I want to be very, very subtle with my lashes, where I don't really want many people, or at least the general public, to notice that I'm wearing lashes. Only those that know makeup and like know lashes, right, are familiar with it, can actually tell that I'm wearing lashes. But these are super discreet, very flirty and fun, and they are one of my favorite lashes to buy for that. So I got some of these. Those are always on my shopping list. Okay, and then I got a beauty blender from Real Techniques. I have quite a few beauty blenders, but it's become a collection that I have in this cylinder glass, cylinder glass holder. And so I got this one, which is the Sugar Crush, and it's a Miracle Complexion Sponge. And I just really love Real Techniques brushes, and their sponges I think are, one, super affordable, and then also you get really great quality product. So this is it. It has, if you, I don't know, you probably can't tell on camera, but in person there's these little tiny pink glitters on it, which I would hope that they actually stay on the sponge and don't come off as you apply, but I will only find out when I try it out. So we shall see. Okay, the very last things are lip products, because y'all know that I love lip products so much, like glosses, stains, liquid lipsticks, just regular lipsticks, the whole nine. I love them all. So I got these. Okay, let's start off with this one. I already have owned this. This is NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in London, the color London. Now, I don't have London anymore because it's old now and I can't find it anymore. So it's just a very, very cool tone. These smell so good. They smell like sugar, but it's a very cool tone. Oops, I have to go soon. Okay, it's a very cool tone liquid lipstick, and these are very nice and wearable. You guys all know about these. These are one of my favorite products to have. And then I also have, so Maybelline came out with a new gloss line, and it's their lifter gloss. Now I went and I bought one myself, and this is called Stone number 8. And first of all, the packaging kind of reminds me of the KKW Beauty line, just a little bit, but I like the packaging. It's a little bulky for me, but I mean, it didn't annoy me enough not to buy it. So this is what it looks like. The doe foot is huge. Girl, I've never had a doe foot this big, but this smells like vanilla and just yumminess all around. But I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this one. It's pretty opaque. Now I already applied this on my lips the other day because I wanted to see. Look at how pretty that is. I'm actually really excited for this, and I think I'm gonna go get a few more, just a few more. I'm not gonna go crazy because I don't need that many. So yeah, I'm just trying to practice self-control because I'm an adult now. I'm 34, so I'm not 24 anymore. I can't just spend all my money on makeup. So there's that one. I also got a lipstick of theirs in a matte color. I don't know the lipstick line. These are all matte finishes, but this is called Nude Nuance, and I got it for obvious reasons. I mean, I love colors like this so much. So, ooh, girl, look at that. How beautiful is that? And these, of course, have a lovely little scent. Nothing too much. Okay, and then very, very last but not least, I got some Neutrogena color sticks. They're moisture smooth color sticks, and I never buy Neutrogena. I'm not gonna lie, I never do, because it's just not what catches my eye. But I saw these and I thought these are so pretty in the tube. We'll see. So I'm gonna swatch it for the first time now. Oh yes, okay. See, that's what I wanted, something very, very light, like a light tinted balm, which is what this is. It just seems like something that you just pop on your lips when you're on the go, when you don't want something too heavy on your lips at all. I'm definitely a fan of bold lip colors, but I'm also a huge fan of lip colors that are very subtle, that you can wear on a day that you want your face to look fresh and clean, and maybe pop on some lashes and just leave your lips very subtle. But okay, that one, sorry, I didn't tell you the color. The color of this one is Almond Nude. And then this one is called Wineberry. So let's watch this one. Pretty. And these, I'm sure you can share them out. So instead of having it full-blown color, you can just kind of make it more of a tint. How gorgeous. I'm very, very happy with my purchases. I'm not going to be returning anything, so I just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I really enjoyed showing you all this. Let me know if you've gotten any new products, or maybe any products that you would like me to check out. Maybe I'll buy them and show them on camera. I love you guys. I hope you guys are having a really great day. I have to run. If not, I would talk to you guys longer. But I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Love you. God bless.